guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shana-Kay and welcome to Chateau SK for the weekend. Alright guys, so just as you walk into the room, the first thing you'll see are these doors. So beyond these doors, you have the closet space. It's a pretty big enough, roomy enough closet space. I'm about to take everything out of my bag and hang them up like right now, so I don't have to be going into my suitcase all the time trying to find stuff. On this side is still another door for the closet, but you have a safe in here, so I guess we can activate the safe and put all our personal belongings, what them say, thiefable things in the safe. Off here we have the bathroom. I really love the bathroom. Like, I feel like when we build our house, it have to have a lighted mirror like this, and it have to be big like this. Like, I feel like me go to my mind to hold the mirror nice, and in here just light and airy because of the whole light coming from the mirror. So I really love that. I love the granite countertop for the sink, and I just love the whole dark brown theme that they have going on in here. And what I noticed as well is that they have like different little signs that telling you that they've sanitized and they've cleaned and so on and so forth. So Hilton, big up yourself. I can see that they have so many protocols in place for the COVID-19, so I really love that. On top of the counter space here, we have antibacterial gel. You have some body lotion, I guess conditioner, shampoo, some facial soap, and some bath soap in here in that side. And in this is the section you have the toilet space, and the toilet has this sign on there that says sanitized, you guys. It's a small bath compared to other hotel rooms I've been in. So a very small bath, and it has the bath and the shower curtain. Did I mention that I love these shower curtains? And these shower curtains are like the type that you can sit through. I actually have one similar to this in my bathroom right now. So and I love that, like, it's heavy and it's long of a length. It's enough of a length, and you just pin it over instead of you clip it over like this, instead of having to like push it through that thing. You know that annoying thing? I don't like it. So we're moving out to the bedroom right now. Alright, so right now I'm standing in the bedroom. Now the bedroom that we got is the, I guess, hotel view they call it, or garden view, whatever they call it, I don't know. But this is basically what the bedroom looks like. Over here we have this very nice chest of drawer. It's really a chest of drawer, if to be honest, but it's more fancy. It's one of those fancy chest of drawer, like when we really want to throw out the one I'm having in my bedroom right now. It's annoying me. I want something as fancy and as modern as this. It's a whole heap of space going on down here. And we have the TV, remote sanitized. We also have some alcohol wipes. I tell you that we stay prepared in this place. Like, there's also a fridge in here, and the fridge is basically disinfected, and it has water and juice in here. Of course, we're not soda drinkers, I like that. And we have some Carib Ledger beer. Who likes beer? Not me, but anyway, Carib can sponsor me same way. This little setting over here is a desk for you to work from. If you want to sit there and use a laptop and stuff, they can also use that. And I love this big round mirror that they have here. It's just so cute to me, and it adds very well to the decor. I noticed though with this room, it has like a darker blue wall, like a focus wall, darker blue than the rest of the room. So a darker blue and a lighter blue, and it just have this cute little look that I love. It just looks clean and crisp. And for me, like, bedrooms have to kind of look like this. Like, it have to be clean and crisp. It's kind of that look I'm going for. So you can use this room as bedroom inspo for your room. I'm going to be doing more of this on my channel, where I share with you guys like bedroom and bathroom tours that you can get inspiration from for your home, basically. Yeah, so you have these big glass doors. Okay, you open this up. Hey! Whoa! This is very, very tall. So you can see the pool. You can see the pool happening down there. I love this balcony, but it's kind of giving me anxiety. Like, it's very high up. So, and I've never been to a room where they have the glass here. So yeah, I think it's a time for me to go back inside. Another thing that I love about this room is that the couch is, I would call this, I think they call it a love seat. Love the color, you guys. It's a gorgeous love seat, and I feel like the color works in so well with the color of the walls. And also, if you move on over here, this is kind of similar, so the curtain kind of tied with the color. So I really love the color scheme that they have going on here. A little bit of brown, some cream, some blue. And behind me we have this beautiful painting. I really love this painting. This painting has some blues in there as well, but it just have this nice crisp color behind the couch, and I really love how that turned out. If you look across here, you'll see these happy birthday to me. It's my birthday weekend, you guys. I'm super excited, and I came in the room. I'm very surprised to see balloons in the room because I was not expecting that at all. I'm loving these bed heads these days. The one that you basically is on the wall, instead of like you know, the bed head that you can actually move. So these are very modern these days, with where you just push up the bed onto the wall, basically, with the bed head. I've seen it quite a few times. Right here, if you guys have watched Showcase Your Space episode 1, then you would have seen where I spoke about these mounting lamps that you mount on the side of the bed. That I spoke about it in Rafia's bedroom video, Rafia's bedroom. So if you guys have not seen Showcase Your Space episode 1, go ahead and check it out right here. I'm linking it right here for you guys. And I really love these lamps because they add such a vibe to the whole entire room. It just have this way modern feel, and modern is what we're kind of going in right now. I mean, a lot of people like farmhouse and them something, but modern is a big deal to me. And it has a linen texture. It looks linen as well, which is super cute. As you can see, we have the phones here, and we have these this is mounted to the bed head. So I guess it's substitute for actually putting a full-on bedside table. So love the whole thing. So here you can see the bed. Oh, one thing I didn't mention with the bed head is that the texture of it, like it has two different textures. So this have like this gritty, grainy texture here, and this have like a very plain texture, and the whole is black. I think it's black, and the whole vibe just tying in with the room. So black bed head, black chest of drawer. Get it? You have the linen side table, side lamps, and you have the linen lamp over by the office desk. So it's a whole vibe going on in here. And one thing I had mentioned in my Showcase Your Space video is that your bed linen can take your whole bedroom from 0 to 100 real quick. So if you notice, they have like a quilt, duvet type of, I guess it's a comforter. We call it Jamaica comforter, because we don't have no fancy name and sitting like duvet or whatever. But this is a comforter. It has the matching pillows to go with it, the pillowcases, sorry, to go with it. And also, if you look here, you see like a bed skirt. So the bed skirt, no. If it is that you want to hide all of the garbage and so you have under your bed, the bed skirt work. And guess what? The bed skirt is cream. So it says it's a well thought out plan and idea of just the whole space coming together. Is the end of this bedroom and bathroom tour. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, thumbs me up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, leave me a comment, and wish me a happy birthday in the comments as well while you're at it. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.